Welcome to Switch Maps, Thermostat, and Fan Coil Control Units Installation Guide. This installation guide will show you all the features the device contains. You may take a look at the description below to skip to the section you wish to learn. There are two models. HM340 is for connecting directly to fan coil units. WT522 is a thermostat that controls fan coil control units. Before you begin your installation, wiring and mounting work should be conducted by a qualified electrician, and any related power must be switched off. First, you must start with the fan coil control units. It is very simple and straightforward to use. Before you begin, you must find a location to mount the device by following these rules. It should be close to all related connecting circuits. Allow the antenna to be angled and have a clear line of sight with two or more devices within its wireless range. The antenna signal is strongest at its sides, not the tip. Place it away from any metallic objects such as air ducts. The device's indication and buttons should face downwards for easy access. Once you're ready to mount, tightly secure the antenna, open the cover, connect the conduit, and mount the device securely. Now, connect wirings to the terminals accordingly. You must connect live, neutral, and ground wires to provide power to the device. You may use the provided zip ties to secure wirings. Once you've completed the wirings, you can now turn on the power. The power lights should light on. If not, you should turn off the power, return to the start, and recheck your steps. At any time, you may check your power and connections by holding the pair button to toggle on and off. It will trigger cool mode with low fan speed. Now, you are ready to join this fan coil control units and thermostat to your switch map network. If you have not yet created a network at the premise, you will need a USB coordinator. Go here to see how you can use this device to create a network and come back after following the instructions. To join this device to an existing network is very easy. From the USB coordinator or a joint device, you may press the network button once. You will see a light begins to flash indicating your network is now released and ready to accept new devices. Now, from your new fan coil control units or thermostat, you will need to hold the network button until the network light begins to flash or the thermostat screen shows network joining. Wait until you see a network light or a wireless signal icon stays on to confirm join successful. If the network lights stop flashing or the error screens appear, it indicates join unsuccessful. Joining a network requires heavy wireless communication. Sometimes it gets interrupted during the process. If this happens, you should try again. Once joined, you can pair each fan coil control units to thermostat within the same network. One thermostat can pair up to 8 fan coil control units, but each fan coil control unit should only pair to one thermostat. To pair, you may start from your thermostat. Hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select PA for pairing. Then select AD for Add. Choose which number position to pair to. It will start flashing indicating it is awaiting pairing. When successful, it will return to the main screen and the selected number will light on. Now, from the fan coil control units, press the pair button, it will begin to flash. Your pairing should be complete. To delete paired fan coil control units in your thermostat, you may hold the Set button to enter Set menu. Select PA for pairing. Then select DE for delete. Choose which number position to delete. It will start flashing. Press to confirm selections. Press again to reconfirm. You may also pair your thermostat to other control devices such as wall switch, remotes, or gateway. Wall switch and remotes will only be able to toggle on-off. To pair, you will need to start from your remotes or wall switch. Double press the Set button. Then hold the Set button until the number buttons begins to flash. Press to select a number button you wish to assign the thermostat to. The top lights will begin to flash awaiting pairing. When successful, it will light on for 3 seconds. Now, from the thermostat, hold the Set button to enter Set menu. Select PA for pairing. Then select PA again for pair. It will begin to flash indicating it is pairing. Your pairing should be complete. This feature allows you to disable control of any fan coil control units without deleting it. You may enable control again at any time. To do this, hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select CT for control. Use the arrow buttons to select paired control, and press the power button to select on or off for the paired control. If there is a bar at the bottom of the numbers, it indicates on. If it does not have a bar, it is off. Continue moving down the list of paired fan coil units number. You will reach a screen that says SE for sets. Press to confirm to return to the main screen. To set the clock and the thermostat, you will need to do this. Hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select CL for clock. First, select AM, PM, or 24 hours format. Then select hours, then minutes. This is an important feature you must use to ensure proper control. If the fan coil units do not support heat or cool, then you should lock it within a single control mode. This settings applies to all fan coil control units. It cannot be controlled separately. To do this, hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select CH for cool heat. Select cool, heat, or both for auto. You may select the temperature to display in Celsius or Fahrenheit. To do this, hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select CF for Celsius, Fahrenheit. Select Celsius or Fahrenheit. The thermostat has the ability to switch all thermostats in the network to turn on or off. To do this, hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select AL for all on, all off. Select to turn on or off this feature. After setting this feature, you may check your settings by holding power and up for all on, or power and down for all off. The thermostat may copy its paired fan coil control units to another thermostat. Do not allow two or more thermostats to control the same fan coil control units. We recommend to use this feature to back up your thermostats. To do this, you will need to start from the center thermostat. Hold the Set button to enter the Set menu. Select CO for copy. Select SD for send. Press power button again to confirm when you see SE for set. From the receiving thermostat, hold Set button to enter Set menu. Select CO for copy. Select RE for receive. Press power button again to confirm when you see SE for set. If successful, same paired device will appear at the bottom. If the display shows ER, it means the feature failed. You may try again. If by rare chance, you feel your device is not operating normally, you may try to press the reset button or reinsert the batteries. This will allow the device to restart, rejoin network, and resume operations. If you wish to reset to clear all data and restore to factory settings, you will need to hold the network button, then press the reset button once while holding the network button. The display will flash indicating the device is reset. This is the end of the instruction guide. Remember, you may edit your settings anytime you wish. Just follow our steps. If you wish to learn the user control, go here. Thank you for watching.